Welcome into a brand new episode of WSI TV. Enjoy the show.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today Lea and I are going to be bringing you another special edition episode. Today we're going to be talking about how you can give yourself the gift of a free vacation this holiday season, which sounds great of course for anybody, so we're going to try and get into it and tell you how you can do this for yourself very, very soon. So
don't you want to spend your December in Las Vegas?
Yes.
I mean, talk about amazing decorations. We're definitely excited. We've already told you a little bit how we're going to be going out to Las Vegas for a convention, and we're inviting all of you guys.
Yes.
And so we're going to teach you guys how to get it for free.
Yes. Yeah. So today is the last day for the special offer that Lea and I have been promoting all week for you. It's the last day that if you order today, you get a $100 check from us when you show up in Vegas. So this is the last chance for you to get it. We'll give you a link so you can do it at the end of this video, but if you really want to take advantage of that, this is your last chance. You also have the opportunity to get yourself a free ticket to Vegas, or you could get us to give you a $2,000 check, depending on how many people you invite. If you invite 10 people, your ticket is free, entirely free to Vegas. If you invite 20, we will hand you a check for $2,000 and your ticket will be free. So that's basically any vacation you'd really want if you could get 20 people to come.
Yeah, and I mean, who doesn't want all their friends and family to be around
Exactly,
for this? It's
exactly.
going to be a really great experience to learn a whole lot about how to be financially secure, how to make way more than just $2,000.
Exactly, yes.
So you could walk away with the chance to earn even more than that at the end of the weekend. You'll get to meet all of us in person. We have tons of extra benefits and exclusive content for you guys. And plus, if you invite all those people, you get that $2,000 check to start you off that's going to pay for your whole vacation. Not only will you get this great convention, but that'll pay for flights, it'll pay for your room and board the whole time you're there.
Whatever you'd like it to.
If you want to go hang out in the casinos a little bit, this will pay for that.
Exactly.
Whatever you want to do, it's covered. So great Christmas present.
For sure, to yourself.
Yeah, so we're going to tell you guys a little bit about...
like Lea was saying, we do have a million different things that we're going to offer you, so we're kind of just going to go rapid fire through them, just so you can see what you're getting the opportunity to grasp if you come to this vacation this weekend with us in Vegas. So we do have free exclusive bonuses, including a private 3-course meal with Jim and all of us. His whole team is going to be there. We're going to give you signed copies of each of the 3 books in front of us, including ours, Jim's book, and Jordan's. We are also going to have a 1-year subscription to Jim's personal calls, where he does each month, where he talks about the market, psychology, anything that you need to know. And you get that 1-year subscription for free just for coming to Vegas. We also have never before seen content that's going to be at the seminar. We have the secret production document that pays $3,253. They're going to reveal that for you. We also have your $2,604 monthly cut of an emerging gold mine, a new market that we're going to reveal and talk to you guys about the whole weekend while we're there, and a bunch of other stuff too. And Jim is also going to reveal his biggest trade secret, which obviously is a deal breaker for anybody, I would think. But not to mention, there are also one-time only opportunities this weekend. So we're going to have, like we mentioned earlier this week, the WSI TV Blackout episode, which is never before seen, will never be seen again. This is a very exclusive opportunity for you to go see this episode, that it's only going to air on stage live in Vegas. We also have the opportunity to see December in Vegas. Like Lea was saying, you can spend the early Christmas season, the holiday season in Las Vegas. And if you do invite 20 people to come, you can reimburse yourself for any expense that you have and get yourself started with all of the wealth building tips that we're going to explain that weekend.
Absolutely. So a whole lot available to you if you join us.
I'm out of breath.
Yeah, I mean, it's a big list.
For sure.
And it's the season of giving, but this deal is outrageous. So it has a $10,000 value, which is crazy. And even if you're paying full price for the ticket, it's nowhere near that cost.
Exactly.
But you can make it totally free, and you can even get paid for it.
Exactly.
If you invite those 20 people. So this is an amazing opportunity. And then again, today is the last day to get that $100 discount. And so if you order today, we'll be waiting for you with a check for $100 in Vegas. We can't wait to give that to you.
Yes.
Yes.
Because this really is something that you're really not risking anything up front. Just because we're going to Vegas, we're not going to gamble. If you want to, that's entirely up to you, but you're not risking anything to come to this seminar. There's literally only benefits for you, and it's all reward for you to start the new year, or even right after you leave Vegas, with all of the tips that you're going to get.
Absolutely. So if you do decide that you want to order your ticket, which we hope you do, just go on to mywealthsummit.com. We've got it on the screen behind us. Yeah, so if you go there, it's a really simple process. If you have any questions, you can call us and we'll help you out. But we can't wait to see you there.
Yes, we're very excited.
Thanks for watching the latest episode of WSI TV. Be sure to visit WSITV.com, where you can subscribe for free with no contract and gain instant access to the secrets of self-made millionaires via the WSI TV Vault. So go ahead and claim this gift for free now at WSITV.com.